Hi everyone, today we're going to start by having a look at using files in Google Drive. So the first thing that you need to do is go to google.co.uk and then at the top there you need to click sign in. So this is just like signing into your school email account. So you need to put in your username and then don't forget you've got to put in the @cisit.com afterwards. If you don't, if you just put your username in, it will take it as an @gmail.com and then your password will not work because it's a different account. So next then we need to click the next button there and put in your password. So this is the same password that you use in school to log on to computers. If you're not certain, click the show password so you can see that you've got the capital letters exactly right and then click next. So once you've done that, you should have an icon at the top right there with your first initial on. From there then you need to go to the school website. So if we type Cisit Middle School, and then from there then we follow that link to the school website, and then we're going to click at the top on the remote learning, scroll down to computing, and then here then you need to find the correct week, so whichever day this week begins on. Once you found that, then click onto that link. Once you've got to the correct page, you need to scroll down to the work, and you will see for this first lesson these files here. There'll be some others for the next lesson as well. The first one that we're going to do there is the internet quiz. So we're going to click on the icon there, okay, and then this will open this up in Google. If it doesn't open it properly, there will be like a little drop down at the top there. You need to click that and select open in sheets. Now you notice over here it says view only, so you can't actually change anything with this. What you've got to do now is save this to your own drive. So from there then we go file and make a copy. You can remove the copy of there. It's not a bad idea to put your own name at the beginning there. So I'll put the name of this account on. The folder should just say My Drive, and then click OK. So that will then open your own copy of this in a new tab. You can see that it's got our new name there. The old one, we can just close that down. On this first one here, what you're going to do is put your name and your class in there, and then you need to find the answers to these questions. Use the internet for that. So again, if you go up here and you click new tab, when the new tab opens, you've got Google to search with, or at least go to Google, and then you can always go back here to type in your answers. You do need to type the answers in. If you copy and paste them, it can change the formatting on this sheet. So work your way through each of those until you've completed them and got 10 out of 10. As you work, it will save this to your Google Drive. Do those, pause the video, come back once you've got that completed, and I'll show you then how you can send that work to your teacher. Once you have completed everything on that piece of work, then you do need to possibly open a new tab if you've not still got it, but go back to the Google front page. Up there it'll show you that you're still logged in. That's where you would access your email, but what we need to do now is go to this grid of 9 dots, which is the Google Apps. So we click on there and we're going to go into Google Drive. There, saying open just now, is that piece of work that I've just finished. Okay, if not, then it would be on here amongst the pieces of work underneath. From there then, what you need to do is go into Google Apps again, go on to your email account. Once you've got this open, You're going to go to Compose. You're going to send that to your teacher, and there will be an email address on the website. You can do that. Put in your name and whichever piece of work it is. So if we say internet quiz, and then what you need to do is go down here. So this rounded triangle, which is a symbol for Google Drive, you click that. It will go to your drive and you can see the work that's on there. So there's the internet quiz. We just click that once and click insert. Now it's actually better to send all of the work at the same time. When you've sent one piece of work there, or attached one piece of work, click back on there and you would then go to your next piece of work and attach that. Once you've got all of those, then you just click send. That will then send the work, and your teacher can then click on that to look at the work that you've done from your Google Drive.